Okay, what's up? So we got the front splitter and diffuser right there. I haven't opened them up yet, but I'm gonna try to get the front splitter installed and I'll show you guys that. So it's gonna be some fun hopefully. And I'm not gonna do the diffuser because I just don't trust myself to install the diffuser today. Alright, so there's the front splitter right there. Let me show you guys more of that. Okay, so we also got the GT3 carbon fiber mirrors today, so that's really cool. I forgot I ordered these actually with everything else, so I'm gonna try to get these mounted as well. I just want to show you guys the carbon fiber in the sun real quick. Dude, these things look hella crazy. Okay, so this is how we this is how we mounted the splitters here. Take the camera, I guess, and just show them. Just tell them how you did it.
Oh shoot, we're recording?
Yeah. I can cut everything, it doesn't matter.
You got a better voice, go for it.
Huh?
You got a better voice.
Yeah, but you explain better, so just go.
Well, actually, turnbuckles go on the inside. Use your spacers. Give you a little bit of room in there. You're gonna have the two in the front going front to back, with two on the sides going from side to side. Because these are gonna mount onto those ears, those tabs, similar to this.
Yeah.
They go onto the inside of the frame rail. You can see it from there.
Then I'll just show that, and you can continue doing that now.
They'll mount like this.
Yep, right
this
there.
end will go down over here to the splitter, and this other end will be over here on that tab. Same with the opposite side. And for the front one, the front turnbuckle is gonna go in this hole, go through the inside like this. I'm just gonna run a bolt through there. We're missing that nut there, but you know.
Yeah, and that's how you install the splitter. Take out the headlight just cause the new ones aren't here yet. Oh, you can't see me, but the new ones aren't here yet, and when they are, it'll just be easier to put them in. So I'm just gonna take them out now. Anything that needs to get fixed around here, like the paint, I didn't see it's messed up right there. You can't see it, but gotta fix that. Okay, so basically, this bolt here is stuck and stripped, and then that one up there is also stripped. This one came out, got that one out, and then that one just wasn't even there. So that one's there, as you can tell, and I just can't get those out real quick. So I'm gonna see what I can do, and then I'll just pick up from if I get the light out or not. Okay, so I got the headlight out. I used a different screwdriver, and it came out. So let me show you guys what it looks like actually. So the car looks with this one headlight in. I had to take out the side marker too, right there. And then after that, the headlight, it was a little bit stuck on the inside along this right here. There's a little scraping. But besides that, it was pretty easy to get out. Besides the screws that got stuck. So, okay, and then to show you guys the lights. So we do have to paint it. Next time I'll update it is when it's painted. And then the lens will be hopefully completely different, which is the new headlight that we ordered. And I just got to fix this up a little bit. Same with the other one. I'll take that one off after we get this one fixed and off to the side. But for now, that's how the car looks. Imagine a turbo right there. That'd be pretty cool. And I'm still waiting on the turn signals. They're being custom made by Resto Mods with a Z LED on Instagram. This is really good work. He's the one who made the tail lights. And so, you know, that's how the car looks for now. We update on it next week, yeah, at least for YouTube. Instagram, weekly updates, and TikTok, every day I post. Thank you.